Hello everyone, welcome to Fortune Academy. This is Ankita. Today I am going to show how to insert an image in a Google Sheet. To insert an image in a Google Sheet, there are two ways. The first one is we have to click on Insert tab. Then we have to go to Image. There are two options, Image in Cell, Image over Cell. So let me select Image over Cell first. A dialog box appears with several options. The first one is upload. Here we can upload one image from our desktop. Next is camera. Here we can upload an image using our web camera. Next is by URL, then is photo, and then Google image search. Here I will be using by URL. Over here I have to paste the URL of an image. So I have already copied an URL. I will paste it over here. After that, I have to click on Insert Image. So here, my image has been inserted into Google Sheet, but this image floats over the spreadsheet. We can move this image from one place to another. If I reduce the size of the image and want to place in a particular cell, then, so let me place it in a particular cell. Then here it shows the image has been placed in a particular cell, but my image is not fixed over here. If I delete or hide the column C, then my column will be hidden, but my image will not be hidden. It will be visible over there. So let me show. If I hide the column C, then my column C is hidden, my image is still visible. If I want to fix the image in a particular cell, then I have to select the cell first, then I have to go to Insert, Image, and then I have to select Image in Cell. Here it opens the same dialog box with the same options. I will click on By URL, and next I have to paste the URL of the image, and next I have to click on Insert Image. Here my image has been placed in the cell, and as I increase the row height, my image size will also increase. In this, if I hide or delete the column A, then my image will also get hidden or deleted. So for example, if I hide column A, then my image also got hidden. The another way of inserting an image is using the image function. For that, first I have to click on the cell in which I want to place the image, and next I have to type over here equal to image. After that, I have to open first bracket. Next, here it gives me the formula. The first, I have to paste the URL within the double inverted comma. Next, I have to give the mode, then height of the image, and then width of the image. So let me first paste the URL within double inverted comma. So I have pasted my URL. After giving comma, I have to mention the mode. There are 4 modes, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3 and mode 4. I will show you one by one. So I am starting with mode 4. In mode 4, I have to mention the height and width of the image. So I am giving the height is 50 and the width is 100. After that, I have to close the first bracket. Next, I have to press enter. So here my image has been inserted with a particular cell with height 50 and width 100. If I increase the size of the cell, then the image size will not get increased. Next mode, let me check with mode number 3. In mode number 3, we don't have to give the width and the height of the image. After changing the mode, I have to press enter. Mode 3 gives the actual size of the image as it is in a web browser. So if I decrease the cell size, then my image will get cropped. The next mode is mode 2. In mode 2, the image will fit in the particular cell. As I increase my cell size, the image size will also get increases according to the cell. And the last one is mode 1. So let me check that. In mode 1, the image size will get increased as I increase the row height. But it does not affect the image size if I increase the column. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel Fortran Academy to learn more interesting features about Google Sheet. Thank you.